For those who do not know, I own a small project called ClusterStack, and today the project finally became a startup. And the reason is very simple. I got my first investor. Hello guys, how's it going? My name is Lucas and welcome back to the multi-billion-dollar studio. The studio which you might never knew. The Christmas tree is down, the year has already started, and today I brought some updates for ClusterStack. And what is ClusterStack? ClusterStack is an application made from and for those who want to move to another country. On ClusterStack, you have access to information, recruitment services, and visa process, and that has been my entrepreneur journey for the last 2 years. During these years, between the struggle to develop the app, I've been in contact with loads of different professionals who deal with immigrants in any different shape or form, from recruiters to service providers, from lawyers to mentors, from universities to influencers, and everyone has given me interesting feedbacks and important information on how to develop this application. Between this interaction with possible partners to the platform, I got approached by a group, and they got really interested in the idea of the project and wanted to be part of it. So since last October, we have been in talks, which resulted in them becoming the application first investors, what people call angel investors. So they're not gonna come in just with the money, just gonna throw the money on me and say, look, develop this shit, do it whatever they want. But actually they want to be part. They want to help me develop and they want to help me in other areas that I'm not strong with. So I'm a software engineer, so I don't have much experience in administration in other parts of the administration process of company. So they're gonna be helping me on this part. So now, in 2022, we have the company incorporated, which officially makes ClusterStack a startup. And the team, which were only me and has some friends helping me here and there, has grown from 1 to 5 people. And they are directly involved in this project, and I'm very excited for the new future. With the app finally starting to take off, I believe that we're gonna see ClusterStack now making revenues and I don't know, maybe profit. Let's see. Let's see how's 2022 gonna finish, right? So that's it for today. Oh yeah, sorry. There is some technical part I want to update you guys, but I still in the works right now. For example, the portal is gonna be online really soon, but it's gonna be for early tests with recruiters. And we will implement new features on the app. We have already new features on the application, which I will talk about this on a next video. And okay, so now that's the log for the date. So thanks for listening, and if you're new here, please consider subscribing, like, comment down below, and you can ask me whatever you want about the project. I will be happy to answer. All right, so that's it for today. See you the next one.